everyone, this is the Halloween series 2025. This is week 4. Today I'll be making witch fingers. What all goes into the witch fingers? String cheese, prosciutto, black olives cut in half, and a little bit of sour cream. So let's begin. Take a tray, take a string cheese, take a piece of prosciutto, and wrap it around the string cheese so it looks like skin. Okay, so there we have it. Then take a dab of sour cream. I have it on my shovel spoon. Just gonna take a little bit. So I'm gonna use my finger and dab it on. Actually, I'm gonna dab it on. I'm gonna dab it on over here where it came to the end. Then take a half of an olive. Make sure it's black olives. You got to have rotten fingernails, right? And then just stick it on the sour cream. I'll continue making these, then I'll show you what they all look like. So here's my hand. I'll try to fit 5 more on there. So here are 10 witch fingers. When Dave gets home, he can try a witch finger or 2. Here are the witch's fingers. Let's see what Dave thinks. Those are witch's fingers. I don't hear any bones crunching.
Well, that's pretty good. I was expecting a wiener inside that, not cheese. That's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.